Hey guys, just checking in. Wanted to let you guys know I gave you a week-long extension on the illustration project. Hopefully that helps with some of the stress that's happening right now. I'm a little bit concerned because I don't think I've gotten anybody's project yet out of 8 students. I haven't heard at all from Desiree or Kyra. It's a little concerning. Looks like Des is on right now, but yeah, Kyra, heard from Jared. I heard a little from Zach and a little bit from Eduardo. I've heard from Cindy. So, I mean, and Darren I've heard from. So, I mean, there's a couple of you, heard from Kayla. There's a couple of you, though, like Desiree and Kyra, really, that I have not heard one word from um, since spring break, probably before spring break, probably. So anyways, I'm giving that extension. Hopefully that helps. But I'm also wanting to ask you, the main purpose of this video is just to ask you guys, what do you want to do with the rest of the semester? Do you want to continue working on projects like we have been, or do you just want to work out of the book? We can just do book lessons, one a week until the end of the semester, if that's what you guys want to do. I think it's a little bit more straightforward than working on projects. But if you guys want to continue working on projects, just let me know. I mean, the next project that we would work on would be an infographic using Illustrator. And then after that, we were going to switch over to Photoshop and do we were going to alter a famous masterpiece using Photoshop. And then the last project was maybe going to be like a Photoshop collage project. So we still have, at least after this word illustration project, we probably would only get 2 projects in, which would be the Illustrator infographic. And then after that, we would switch to Photoshop and do maybe the altering famous masterpieces. We could realistically get those done. And then I might throw in like another, maybe 1 or 2 book lessons from the Illustrator book. But the thing is like, I just don't know if you guys want to continue with projects. I don't know if you guys are too stressed to work on projects or if you guys actually would prefer to work on projects. I really don't know. So I'd like a little feedback on what you guys would like to do. There's also the possibility of, if we do the book lessons, we can just work out of the Illustrator book that you guys already have. And then I did find a copy of the Adobe Animate book too. That's like a classroom in a book, but it's for Adobe Animate. And we could do some motion design during the last 2 or 3 weeks of class. We could do 1 or 2 projects from that book, which would be like book lessons that from the Adobe Animate book that I found online. That would be free for you guys to work from. We could potentially do that if you're interested in Adobe Animate. So anyways, I'll be sending out an email too to kind of accompany this this video. But anyways, I'm just kind of trying to figure out, where the class is at, what your feelings are on how you want to approach the rest of the semester. I'm trying to get a little feedback on what's going to work for you guys, because I know that this is a stressful time. And so whatever you guys want to do, really, just get back to me. Maybe do a reply all to the email so that everybody can read the replies of everyone, and let me know what your opinions are on the rest of the semester. Whether you want to continue as normal with projects and book lessons, or if you just want to switch over to only book lessons. And also, are you interested in Adobe Animate? All right, we'll talk to you later.